Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V8. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V8 is making a strange noise while cleaning, it could indicate a problem with the motor or clogged filters. This noise often arises from debris getting caught in the motor or a failing component, and if left unattended, it can lead to further damage and potentially costly repairs. Therefore, addressing this issue promptly is essential for maintaining your device's performance. To carry out this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a replacement motor specifically for the Dyson V8, and a cloth for cleaning. Begin by ensuring your Dyson V8 is turned off and unplugged. Use the small Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the handle. Be gentle while doing this to avoid stripping the screws. Once the screws are out, carefully slide off the handle to expose the internal components. Next, locate the motor, which is usually situated towards the rear of the device. It should be easily identifiable, but if you're unsure, refer to your device's manual for guidance. Disconnect any wires attached to the motor, taking care to note where they are connected for reassembly later. Once the wires are disconnected, you can remove the motor by unscrewing any screws holding it in place. Remember to keep these screws safe, as you will need them for installing the new motor. Gently extract the old motor from its housing. When replacing it, ensure that the new motor fits snugly into place without forcing it. Reconnect the wires, following your earlier notes to ensure correct placement. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is connected and the new motor is secured, replace the handle by sliding it back into position and reattaching the screws. Make sure everything is tightened properly but avoid over-tightening, which could cause damage. Finally, give your Dyson V8 a quick test run to ensure everything is functioning smoothly and that the strange noise has disappeared. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean your filters and check for any blockages in the motor. Keeping your device well maintained will ensure a longer lifespan and optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.